You probably think peanut brittle is just peanuts and sugar. You're about to find out it's much crazier than that. It starts with peanuts, not bags, not boxes, entire mountains of them. Before anything else, every peanut gets cleaned, sorted, and inspected. Then they're roasted until the oils inside create that rich flavor everyone loves.
Meanwhile, giant kettles transform ordinary sugar into a bubbling golden volcano.
One wrong temperature and the entire batch can be ruined. This is where everything comes together.
It looks less like candy making and more like a construction project.
Next comes one of the most satisfying parts of the entire process.
Rollers spread the mixture into giant sheets with incredible precision.
In seconds, giant sheets become thousands of perfect, bite-sized pieces.
Looks delicious, right? Here's the part most people never think about.
Everyone notices the peanuts. Almost nobody notices how much sugar it took to get here.
Some people just got hungry watching this. Others are checking nutrition labels right now.
So now you've seen how peanut brittle is really made. Be honest, would you still eat it?